volume of a cylinder. Okay, let's see. Each glass is approximately the shape of a cylinder with a diameter of 6. Now, once you see the word diameter, what you actually think about is radius. Because in all our formulas, really, it's a radius that we're going to be using. So radius is what? Half of the diameter, so that means 3 centimeters, because the radius, that will be radius here, and that will be radius here. Okay, and the height of 10. Find the volume of the glass correct to the nearest centimeter. So what do we need to do? We need to find what? Volume of what? Of a glass. And what shape is the glass? Cylinder. So how do we find the volume of a cylinder? We go to our maths tables. And no, that's definitely not the page. It's in the very beginning of our maths tables. First 2 pages are the areas of 2D shapes. And then we have the next page. Then we have the volume and the area of 3D shapes. So the very, very first one, cylinder, that's what we have here. So here in our maths table is saying in the following, A represents the curved surface area, not curved, meaning the one that goes around. And V, so we can see V here, V represents the volume of the solid in the question. So that's the one we are interested in. That's our cylinder. So let's take that with us so that we can understand what do we need to do with this formula and how does it work. So in your table, you have a drawing to explain to you what those letters mean. So we know pi is a number, that's not just a letter, we know the value of it. R, as you can see it here, that's what? Radius. And then H, you can see it here, that is the height. So if we are talking about the volume, that means that is pi multiplied by radius, taken to the power of 2 and multiply by a height. Okay, so to find the volume of this cylinder, that's what we do. We take pi, multiply, we replace radius or letter R with the value, and our radius, like we said, is 3, so 3 to the power of 2, and then multiply by a height, and our height is 10. And we put all of that in the calculator, and to the nearest centimeter, what we should get is 283 centimeters cubed. Volume and area, really important part of your junior cert. Why? Because that will go with you forward to your leaving cert. And if you know it really well from junior cert, they will be the question that you will just fly through in your leaving cert. Yeah? So really, really important to know those questions.